Hey guys, I'm Shantae from naturalveganmama.com, where we're all about showing you how easy this vegan lifestyle can be. It's that time again, it's Thanksgiving, so today I'm coming to you with 3 ways to survive Thanksgiving. So tip number 1, bring a delicious vegan recipe. The quickest way to win anybody over is with some delicious food. So definitely bring something, even if you want to pick something up. Of course, it's always nice to bring something when you're going over to someone's house for Thanksgiving. So whether you make it yourself or whether you pick something up from a vegan restaurant, definitely bring some amazing vegan food for people to try, because you know what? Like they say at the new vegan restaurant down in Delray, you don't have to be vegan to eat vegan, so share the love and show them how amazing vegan food is. Here's tip number 2. So tip number 2 is have compassion, have patience, and have empathy. So we all know that unless you were born vegan, you have vegan parents, or you just could not eat meat, dairy, and eggs from you were born, we all used to eat it. So have some understanding and try not to be judgy. Don't go in with your nose turned up and talking about what happens to animals and preaching and things like that. Kind of play it along the same lines of politics and religion. Although at some of these family get-togethers, we can get into those conversations, which is okay, but we want to do it with love and respect, obviously. And I know that you guys know that you're going to do it with love and respect, but I know that sometimes, especially when we're new vegans, we're so upset of the atrocities that are going on. We're so passionate about that, so that's like the first thing in our mind, and we sometimes forget about being compassionate to each other, so just keep that in mind. Okay, and tip number 3 is to get ready for the questions. So people are going to be curious. They want to know why you've made this big change. Get ready for the typical questions like, where do you get your protein? Can you eat fish? Sometimes it's annoying to hear these things over and over again, but you know what? It's okay to share why you're doing this, because you may be actually planting a seed, and if they're brave enough to ask you questions about it, go ahead and satisfy their curiosity, because you're giving them information that they can go ahead and share when someone says, oh my gosh, my cousin is going vegan, and they can say, oh, well, actually my cousin's vegan or my sister's vegan, and these are some of the things that she told me. So definitely get ready for the questions. So those are the 3 tips that I have for you guys. Number 1 is to bring some delicious food. Number 2 is have patience and understanding and empathy. Also, number 3 is to get ready for the questions. So happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I hope you have a great time, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, if you're looking for delicious recipes for Thanksgiving, I have a whole playlist on vegan soul food, from like collard greens to vegan cornbread, just some delicious things out there, as well as cornbread dressing that's not dry, that's super moist and delicious. So check it out. I'll leave it in the description box below. If you have any tips for surviving the holidays, like Thanksgiving, when you're vegan, leave those tips in the comments below so we can help everybody out. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.